Hey guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove your email ID from your Google business account, or you can say how to delete or update your email ID from your Google business account. So all official methods and all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started.
Log into your Google Business account, then click on the three dots option on the top right corner and select Business Profile Settings. Click on the People and Access option. Click on Add. Invite your new email address as an owner. Accept the invitation from your new email address. Wait for 7 days. After 7 days, log into your Google Business account using your old email address. Go to People and Access and find your new email address. Click on Primary Owner and save the transfer. Select the Remove Person option. This process ensures that the new email address becomes the primary owner and the old email address is removed from your Google Business account. And you are done.
Dear friends, by using this method you can easily remove your email ID from your Google business account. Hope you like this video. If yes, please hit a like button and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.